Hey guys, this is Luis. We are ready to do our installation. So to get started, we make sure we select our virtual machine and then we click connect. So once the virtual machine is connected, we click on this green button here, which is start, to get the virtual machine started. It says press any key, so we press any key to boot from the disk, and then the Windows is going to load. This is going to bring us the pre-installation environment, which is the Windows P. So I'll walk you through there, and then when it gets to the point where we have to do installation, I'm going to pause the video, and when the installation is done, we'll proceed from there. So we have the English, the language is English United States, so we're going to leave everything here as it is, but you can set this according to your location or whatever language you want it to be in. So we click next, then we have install now. In the events where we already have the Server 2012 installed, but then it's messing up and we wish to repair, we can use repair your computer. So you click install now. So it says setup is starting. So it asks us which version we wish to install. Now we have all the four here. We have the standard with the server core installation, then we have the standard with the GUI installation, then we have the data center with the server core installation and the data center with the GUI installation. For this class, we are going to be using the data center with GUI installation. So we click next. Then we have to agree to the end user license agreement. So we say I accept, and then I move on. Then we have two options. We have the upgrade install and we have the custom. So we would have used the upgrade if we were probably having Server 2008 and we want to upgrade to Server 2012. And with this, we wouldn't have gone through this process. We would have run the installation directly in Windows. So we click custom install. And then this is our disk. This is our disk. It's fresh with no partitioning on it. So we want to create a new volume. And then we click apply. It says that to ensure that Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partitions for system files. We say OK. And so Windows has created the partitions for the Windows files, the system recovery and all that. So from here we can click on next for the installation to begin. So I'm going to pause recording here, and when the installation is done, we will pick up from there. Okay, welcome back guys. So after the installation is done, you're going to have this page that is going to ask you to provide a password for your administrator account. Now, because the administrator account that is in the server will become the domain administrator account, when you promote the server into a domain controller, you have to give the server a complex password. So I'm going to specify my password. Now, when we say a password has to be complex, then it means that the password must be random. It should be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters, or a combination of any three of those. So after this, we need to use Control-Alt-Delete. Now in Hyper-V, we don't use Control-Alt-Delete. We use Control-Alt-End. Control-Alt-End. Or there is this button up here. You can also click on it. It also performs the same Control-Alt-Delete. So now I can log in, and then it's going to create my profile, and then I will be logged into the Server 2012. So basically, this is how you install Server 2012 in Hyper-V. So I'm going to wait for my desktop to come on, and then we can end this video. So in the next video, we will have an introduction to the Server 2012. Thank you for watching.